Hey, finally got a hold of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Do a quick unboxing and take a look at it and see what I think. Hope you guys have had a good day. Thanks for watching. Zip, zip. All right, let's pop these open and see what we got. Alrighty. Oh, let's see what's in the top piece. SIM ejector tool, USB to USB-C, quick start guide, terms and conditions. Throw that to the side. I do need this, as I was given a physical SIM card to go with it. All right, move that to the side. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, look at that. Lift that up. Man, that is nice. Look at that. I haven't had a fold in a while. Let's see. Nice. Closes nice and flat. Perfect. See if we can hear anything. Nope. Sounds good. Looks good. Alrighty, let's see. USB-C, got your microphone, your speaker. Samsung is laser etched instead of engraved. Microphone, speakers. SIM slot, power button, volume up and down, your 5G band. That's one thing about the Z Fold 4 that I like about the 5 is they moved the LED up to the top. Down at the bottom, I was always caught myself covering up, especially when I needed to use the flashlight. Camera bumps definitely look larger. You can see that. Looks good. Let's power it up. Nothing else in the box. Let's see. Oh, this thing might be dead. May have to, oh, here we go. Took a second. Give it a second to load up. Nice, look at that. There's the little camera. I mean, you can see it, but it fades away for sure. I like how flat that closes. Looks good. I am excited. Well, I hope you guys liked the quick unboxing. Hit the sub button for me, hit the like button. Just trying to buy products, put them online for you guys to check out. Thanks.